Hi, my name's Toby. I'm product owner at AMFG, and I'm going to show you how to add new materials and input some parameters on those materials in our new production parameters page after our latest release. So when you go onto AMFG, you're going to navigate to Settings, Production Parameters, New, and then you're going to see a number of tabs at the top here. So we have Machines, Materials, Services, and Colors. And each of these pages corresponds to adding the machine, the material, or the services. So when you come onto each page, you'll see a button in the top right to add machine group, to add material, or to add service. Now, when you come onto this modal, you'll be a drop-down of AMFG's standard machines, standard materials, and standard services. If you cannot find one of them in your operation, you can go on the Add Custom Machine, create your new name, find our closest material from our database, and then put in some platform information and the number of machines you have. Now, our new materials implementation has changed from 400 materials to 10,000 materials. There's a lot more to choose from. When you have a CNC app, the app will be created with our standard list of materials, like you can see here, but then you can add more as you wish. Now, each material in AMFG is categorized by 4 categories. We have material type, which you see in this sidebar, this bar here. We have metal, other polymer, and then legacy materials from our old page. You then have material family, which gives you things like nickel alloy or aluminium alloy. Material series, which would be the series, so for example 6000 series aluminium, and then the individual material grade. And you can filter on this page by all these things. So like I said, you have standard materials when your app's created. If you wish to add a new material, you simply go on the Add Material. You can select from our drop-down of all our existing materials, where you can search by type, or you can go in the search bar and just search for your material. And here you can see our list of 6000 series aluminiums. To create one, you can multi-select, or you could just select all materials here, and that will add all of them. For this example, I'll just add a stainless steel. Then you can assign your material to your machine group. Now this will dictate for additive what materials can be made on which machines, or if you have a CNC app, you can just put all machines, which means you can make any material on any machine. So I will just add 3, 4, 5, mill and lathe. Again, if you can't find your material, you can add a custom material, which means you select your name, you choose your closest material from our database, and then you can add it that way. So once I've added my material, it's in my table here, and I can view it when I'm creating a quote. The next thing is to input your cost per kilo for your material series. Now again, when your app's created, these parameters will be filled, but obviously you can change your cost per kilo or whichever currency you're working in as and when you like. So if you add a new material, you can come in here, input your cost per kilo, your finishing speed, your drilling speed, your milling feed rates, and your turning feed rates. And then this will automatically be used in our worker scripts to calculate a price. If at any point you want to update this information, you can come into this production parameters page, find your material series, and then update your cost there. And what this means is when you go on a new ticket, so when you're creating a quote, we'll automatically pull the material information into the quote. So when I'm on my quote view here, I've selected my technology as CNC, and I can see my list of materials here. So I can see the stainless steel that I've just added, 304, and I can search my list of supported materials here, so 6661, and the price that I've input on the previous page will automatically pull through here. and be used in the price calculation.